po yung masasabi nyo dun sa mga taong nag-smoke
Ah,
na nahihirapan sila na mag-quit for smoking, especially you're introducing and you are one of the user of a cigarette.
okay. Ako po matagal ko nang tinatry talaga mag-quit. Ever since 2008, I started trying the nicotine patch. Kaso bumabalik talaga ako kasi halimbawa pag nagtatrabaho ka, stress ka, ang hinahanap mo naman kasi minsan is yung usok ng sigarilyo. For me, yun yung main kong, what do you call this? Main kong satisfaction with smoking. Yung puffing the cigarette smoke. So, nung nalaman ko ang e-cigarette way back 2010, nag-try ako. Kaso, unfortunately, yung first try ko, nag-fail dahil yung maliit pa lang yung nakalabas, yung mga 1 hour pa lang. Now, when I was introduced before dun sa Ego na yun na yun, kumanda na yung ano. That's where it all started na. But, of course, sa akin, kasi I've been vaping for 3 years already, the good effect of vaping, I have more energy now, improved sleep patterns, I can taste the food better. Tingnan nyo naman sa katawan ko ngayon. So, obviously, I taste the food better now. And of course, sa pamilya mo, sa mga anak mo, hindi ka na nagtatago, hindi ka na umiiwas masyado. Although, we do not advise that you smoke in front, you vape in front of the kids. But the main reason is you don't smell like smoke anymore. Mabango ka na. You can feel it. Talagang mas mabango yung hininga mo, mas kaganda yung outlook mo sa buhay mo. Kasi ako, with smoking kasi talaga before, admittedly talaga, ang bilis kong hingalin, ang bilis kong mapagod. But when I had my check-up about 1 year ago, my lungs are clear now. So, I don't know what other medias are saying about the ill effects of vaping. But for me, they do not testify that it's healthy, but it makes you feel better.
So, nire-recommend mo po siya sa mga
Highly recommended ang vaping sa gustong makatigil. Kasi we have so many friends here na from smoking to vaping to eventually really quitting in a span of 1 year.
Vice Mayor, are you using some ads in the newspaper or the media?